Alright guys, so we're going to take a look at a pretty cool product by Govee. This is the Strip Light with the Skyline Kit. Alright guys, so let's first take a look at what comes in the box. So like I said, this is the Govee Strip Light with Skyline Kit, and this is everything you're going to get with it. This is going to be a pretty easy install. You get all the hardware. Here's the adjustable mounting bases, the LED strip, and then you also get this steel strip that you're going to mount the LED strip to. And then your power supply with the built-in controller. So for this install, I think I'm going to mount it right over on this far wall over here, right above my computers. As you guys can see, I already have the LED strip on the back of my TV, or else I probably would have put it right above it. Alright, so when installing these, Govee does give you a little template here that you can refer to. I'm going to do my install a little bit different. And the way Govee designed this ball and socket setup, you can angle this in a lot of different ways. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of put this flat against my wall. Right here I measured it 2 inches from the ceiling on each side. And then I dropped the power cord down this corner because I got a plug right there. So once you do that, you're going to go down to these ends here and you can twist them to tighten up the slack in the LED strip. And then we're going to go ahead and plug it in. This is the controller on the power supply. And we're going to go ahead and hit the power button and see what it looks like. So the first thing I noticed was how nice and bright this LED strip was. So just to give you guys a better idea, this is what it looks like with my basement lights on. And then we're going to go ahead and turn my basement lights off. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Govee Strip Light. As you guys can see, this LED strip actually lights up this area really nice. Now with the built-in controller, it has a lot of flexibility for different modes. You also can change the brightness levels. But one of the really cool things that they've done with the Skyline Kit is you can change the direction of the LEDs by just spinning the base. And you can turn one side one way, you can turn the other side the other way, or you can just turn the whole LED strip. So it's pretty cool, really easy to do. Alright guys, so as you can see, this has a built-in app. Govee has apps for pretty much all of their products. So go ahead, turn the brightness down here. So you can turn the brightness down from the app. Go ahead, turn it back up. There's a bunch of different color scenes you can do. So you can change the color, change it to yellow, blue, red, different scenes. So let's go ahead and try bonfire. See what that looks like. So pretty cool. Try a river. As you guys can see as I scroll through here, I got a bunch of presets. Try out rainbow. Go to winter, see what it has for winter. It's kind of bluish white. And they got sky, festival, party, life, emotion, universe, just tons of different ways to customize these lights. They also have something that works to music. So we'll do music and we'll do energy. Go over to rolling. It's a pretty cool effect, especially like if you're having a party or something. Splash. We got AI. So you hold the talk. Halloween. So pretty cool. Christmas. So just a lot of ways to customize your lights. Go over to white light. So just crazy how much that lights up that whole area. It also has more of a yellowish light. So there you go guys, the Govee Strip Light with the Skyline Kit. I think this is a really cool product from Govee. This will be a really good product if you're trying to add some light to an area in your room, or if you want to add some accent lighting. Lots of different ways to customize this light. I like the way you can adjust the light to different angles, different mounting options. So I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about the Govee Skyline Kit and gave you some creative ideas of how you can use it.